Hi all, this is Mohit Tyagi. Today we will discuss a SQL real-time problem which was faced in Amazon e-commerce platform. In this problem, we will find out the late delivery order percentage given by customer. For that, we have a table where we have order ID, customer ID, order date and delivery date. And we have to find out this output where we have customer ID along with total number of orders and the late delivery percentage. So to calculate this output, we will make use of select statement with date diff function to calculate days difference between order date and delivery date. And further, we will make use of case statement to calculate whether order is late or on time based on delivery days is greater than 3. You can see I have highlighted those records with the color coded. So if delivery day is greater than 3, so that means late will be 1, means that is true, else it will be false. So that all of them will be 0, right? So you can see we have 3 records which are on late. So let's see how we will do this inside the SQL. So let's go into the SQL. So these are the commands which we can use to create the table and insert the data. So I will add these two commands inside the description so that you can also try at your end. So now let's move into the main query. So this is our table which I have already created. So now instead of select all, we will take only order ID and customer ID and date diff, day, order date, delivery date. If I run this is the output. So I can give it name as delivery date, delivery days, right? So this is the output. So now we can further create a field which will tell us whether it is late or on time. So that will be same, like I am just copy this one, right? If, and we will make use of case statement, case when date diff is greater than 3, then 1 else 0 and we can name it as late, right? If I run this now, so you can see the delivery days, if they are greater than 3, so that means late is 1, right? So now, since we have to calculate late percentage, so to make use of this late calculated field, so we will use CTE table so that we can use this further in our select statement. So we will use with CTE as, and we will wrap the whole select statement inside CTE. Now we can make use of select statement, select customer ID, count of order ID as total counts, and sum of late divided by count of order ID as late percentage from CTE group by customer ID. So this is what we have to calculate, right? Sum of late divided by count of order ID, which will give us late percentage. If I run this whole query, so this is giving us 0, 0, right? So this is not giving us proper percentage in decimal places. So to do that, so we will make use of multiply by 1.0 in our numerator. If I run this now, so now it is giving us output into decimal places, but we have to restrict it up to only 2 decimal places. So we will make use of further cast. So cost as decimal, and we will make use of only up to 2 decimal places, right? If I run this now, so you can see we have the final output, right? So that's how we can achieve this. So this is the query which we will use to calculate the late percentage. So that's all for this session. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye.